Hey guys, if you're watching this video, I hope you're having a good day. And if you don't know me, my name is Mark and welcome to Market Wag Channel. Alright guys, so before we go, I'm going to give you a little quick plan of what we're going to be doing today. So me and Ashley are travelling all the way to Rockhampton, but before that we're going to be stopping to little towns on the way. So I'm excited, she's excited, so before that we're going to get some coffee. Let's go. Yep, got our coffee. Big motherfucker. Alright guys, so we're coming into Yeppoon now, and we left Toowoomba about 6:15, and now it's 2:28, and we're gonna be stopping here. There's a forest here, and I want to show Ashley this forest. So here we are. Look at those trees. We're here in the center of this hoop pine, they're called. These trees here had been growing since 1950, and Ashley is gonna do her thing, taking some photos, cool photos. She's really good at taking photos, and see if I can take some drone footage. That's it for this place. You can keep going, as you can see. You can keep going further to see more of this place. And Ashley took some good photos, so if you want to see more of that, her Instagram link will be in the description below. And yeah, check her out. She can take some good photos. But yeah, we're gonna start heading again towards Rockhampton. I'm gonna be driving. Ashley's gonna have a rest, so. Alright guys, so we decided to stop again, have a little break, stretch our legs up a bit, and we're about 10 k's going to Monto, and yeah, we're just having a little break in front of this painted solos, and check that out. If you want to check this out, it's called the 3 Moon Solo. Alright guys, so we made it to the place we're staying for a couple of days, and yeah, it's called the Southside Holiday Village. It's not too bad, it's pretty good. You got aircon, you got fridge, microwave, cooking area, cooking facilities, and let's check it out. It's not too bad, it's good for a couple of days. Should be alright. So stay tuned guys, more adventures to come, and see you in the next day. What's going on guys? So it's Wednesday, so right now we're heading to Keppel Bay to catch the ferry. Hopefully it's nice and calm at the ocean. The weather is a bit dark, right now, but should be alright. And after that, just gonna have a little adventure at Keppel Island. So hopefully it's gonna be good. No rain, no nothing. So let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to the Freedom Fast Cats ferry. We're catching the ferry all the way to Keppel Island, and we're just waiting for departure. And up the top here, look at this view. So we'll be moving soon. So let's go. Finally made it. So we're going on this little fella. It's gonna be fun. Nice and clear. Beautiful weather. Welcome to Keppel Island. Quite a shallow bay, and we try to use the same spots, or regular spots. So we have one up here just up in front of the water sports, one right here in front of the holiday village, and our real low fine spot is down here on the big side. Our glass boat adventure. It's pretty cool. So now we're in the island. We're going to look for some place to camp. Here guys, I got my esky. Luckily I bought this one with wheels on them so I can just drag them around. And I got my fishing rod. And the back here I got my drone and a little dome tent. It's like a little dome tent to chill around, relax back. Later on we're going to have a little adventure, little hike. But before that, we're going to get some lunch. This place is amazing, man. There's coral reefs everywhere. Whew. That was so amazing, man. Oh, but there's gonna be more coming up tomorrow. It's gonna be scuba diving. I'm gonna be excited for that. But for now, I'm gonna spend time with Ashley. I'm gonna go for a swim. And just, you know, enjoy the show. Oops. Just gonna enjoy the place for now. Oh!
Whale.
Alright guys, so that little adventure today at Keppel Island has ended. So I decided to take Ashley and this little lookout. Guess where we are. this mountain's called the Mount Archer, but not really at the lookout. There's 2 blocks for sale, and it's just got like the better view where the park is. So we're just chilling here, watching at the sunset. As you can see, going down now. It's a bit smoky because there's a bushfire somewhere, but just enjoying this view. It's just a better way to end the day today. So I'm just gonna chill out. Here for a bit. So I'll see you tomorrow, and we're gonna go. So peace. So we're back at Roslyn Bay to catch another ferry back to Keppel Island. So this is our last day today, and tomorrow's travel. So yeah, it's gonna be an exciting day. It's gonna be great. Weather's great, and we're gonna be scuba diving. So that's good. So we just landed back to Keppel Island. We're gonna go to the Keppel Dive area and the little blue building up there, as you can see. We're gonna park up there for a bit and see what we can do after that. Alright guys, so me and Ashley decided to go for a hike. Right now, we're trying to avoid the sun for a bit. So we're trying to get in the bushes, the thicker trees around. So Ashley don't get too burnt, and I'm already burnt, as you can tell. But yeah, so the beach that we're trying to go to is called the Monkey Beach, and it's a couple of k's east. So that's where we're heading, and hopefully I don't step some snakes, if there is any snakes in this. Hey, Death Out is there, you go. So yeah, so keep watching guys, and we'll get to Monkey Beach. Alright guys, so I'm going to walk you through this hike that we're doing. We didn't really stay that long at the Monkey Beach because we had limited time. So while we're walking, doing the hike, I had time to fly my drone. Had a look around, but it didn't really take that much video because it was too hot, too exhausted for a short hike. It was actually a mission. So when we got to the Monkey Beach, we swam a bit and came back to the Blue Hut. Met with an instructor, talked about the safety wise of doing a scuba dive, got our equipment and packed everything up, went to the boat and head to the scuba diving area. And from there, this video is just going to continue on. guys, so me and Ashley's getaway at the Great Keppel Island has come to an end, and right now we're back at Rocky. So tomorrow it's just gonna be a 8-hour drive, cruisy drive back home. So if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next adventure. So peace.